Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video which is based on how to upgrade the firmware of WP816 Wi-Fi phone. So if you see the current firmware version, so basically you can check the firmware version of your phone by just checking this PROG version. So this is the firmware version of your phone, and to check the latest firmware you need to check on the firmware website and select your particular model. So you can see here there is updated version, so we have to update this firmware in the Wi-Fi phone. So either you can download this firmware file and extract and then upload into the phone, or the second way, you can copy this URL and navigate to upgrade and provisioning under maintenance option, and here put this URL. Now click on save and apply, and now click on start. So the firmware will be started downloading in the phone, and once downloaded completely the phone will be restarted. So this is the way. Or you can download, let me show you. So you can see there is a pop-up on the screen. So new version is detected, do you want to upgrade? So I'm canceling it from here because I want to show you the second way how you can upload the firmware by downloaded the file. So just download the firmware file by clicking on this uh, version. So your file will be downloaded, and you need to extract this firmware file. Extract all, extract, and on the phone uh, select upload option and select the extracted file. So upgrading is started in the phone. You can see here the download icon. Let's wait for complete upgrade. So you can see here, do you want to restart and switch to version this? So click or press yes button. Now the phone is rebooting. So it is upgraded to the new version. So this way you can upgrade the firmware in your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.